Hello and welcome to How to Play 8 Off Solitaire. The game is played with one player. To play, you will need a 52-card deck. Arrange 8 columns of cards. Each column will end with 6 face-up cards overlapping each other. The 4 remaining cards of the deck fill 4 out of the 8 possible free cells. The object of the game is to get all the cards into 4 foundation piles, 1 pile for each suit. The foundation piles start with the aces of each suit and are built up to the king. Within the columns, you can move a card on top of another card that is just 1 rank higher and the same suit. Here, the 5 of hearts is moved on top of the 6 of hearts. The top card of a column is available to be moved to a foundation pile when possible. Here, the ace of spades starts the spades foundation pile. The top card of a column is available to be moved to an open free cell. Only 1 card can occupy each free cell. An empty space in a column can only be filled with a king. A card in a free cell can be moved to a foundation pile or back into the main playing area. Only 1 card can be moved at a time. Sequences do not move together. If a player is able to get all the cards to the foundation piles, the game is won. If a player gets stuck with no more moves to make, the game is lost. That wraps up How to Play 8 Off Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!